Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll tell you 10 cheapest hotels in Halong Bay. I will tell you the hotel names and prices, so you can decide at which one you like best and suitable for your budget. In Halong Bay, the hotel prices are always changing. That's why in the description, I'll give you all the booking link, so you can check the price and book a room. If you are looking for cheapest hostels, hotels, flight booking, car rental, travel packages and activities, check the link in the description box. If you have any questions, ask me on Instagram. Link in the description. So let's get started. Happy Hostel. This hotel is near Bay Chai. It started 150 lakhs 145 in Vietnamese Dong. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a free Wi-Fi, restaurant and many more amenities. The Charmaha Hotel. This hotel is near Than Po. It started 1,80,000 in Vietnamese Dong. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a sitting area and many more amenities. Sidon Hotel. This hotel is near Quang Ninh. It started 1,85,000 in Vietnamese Dong. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a sitting area and many more amenities. Anangi Viet Kanha. This hotel is near Cadby International Airport. I started 1,92,000 in Vietnamese Dong. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel is a free Wi-Fi, kitchen, restaurant, car park and many more amenities. Red Light Hotel. This hotel is near Cadby International Airport. I started 1,94,000 in Vietnamese Dong. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel is a free Wi-Fi, restaurant and many more amenities. Ung Luxury Hotel. The hotel is near Cadby International Airport. I started 1,98,000 in Vietnamese Dong. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel is a sitting area and many more amenities. NC Hotel. This hotel is near Cadby International Airport. It started 1,99,000 in Vietnamese Dong. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel is a free Wi-Fi, restaurant and many more amenities. Aksana Homestay. The hotel is near Cadby International Airport. It started 2 lakh in Vietnamese Dong. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel is a sitting area and many more amenities. Arama Hostel. The hotel is near Cadby International Airport. It started 2,25,000 in Vietnamese Dong. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel is a free Wi-Fi, restaurant and many more amenities. Light Hotel. The hotel is near Cadby International Airport. It started 2,28,000 in Vietnamese Dong. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel is a free Wi-Fi, restaurant and many more amenities. Friends, if this video has helped you, please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and relatives. You can check out my other travel related YouTube channel too. Link in the description. See you in my next video. Take care friends.